Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the All I Want for Christmas effect on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So in this effect, TikTok will guess what you want for Christmas and will show you by this card here at the top left. So let me show you how to find this effect and how to use it. So first you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here, the bottom. Then you want to tap on effects. Tap on search. And here you're searching for All I Want for Christmas. And this is what you're looking for, All I Want for Christmas. And it'll look like this. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on record. And when you want the card to flip, go ahead and tap on screen. And there you go. That is how to use All I Want for Christmas effect on TikTok and how to create the video. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.